You have the masseter, digastric, mylohyoid goes side to side between the digastric muscles. Sternohyoid goes straight down. Okay. On the chest, you have pectorantebrachialis, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, and zippa humerales. Okay, also the clavodeltoid is here. Inside you have subscapularis, that's on the scapula, serratus ventralis, and the scalene, which is this V-shaped muscle. Rectus abdominis starts up here and goes straight down. Actually continues straight down the abdomen, okay? External obliques, the fibers run in and down. Internal obliques, they run in and up. And it stops like right around here. Okay? Transversus abdominis goes across, a little bit down, and it has these big white bands. You said the internal obliques stop here? Yeah. And you see the fibers are running right there, and then they just stop. Yeah. Okay. 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 Sorry. Okay, on the leg, the quadriceps muscles are the vastus medialis, rectus femoris, which is the shiny one, and vastus lateralis. Your tensorfascial latae is attached to this white fascia, and it's a V-shaped muscle you see on the other side. Where's the sartorius? The sartorius is here, and it's like cut off. But on most of the cats, it's just cut in the middle of the back. Like that. Like this. So this one's the gracilis. You have your pectineus here. Your iliopsoas, I said earlier, is down there. So they're on the side. Yeah. Okay. So pectineus is on the medial side, and iliopsoas is on the lateral side. Okay. Pectineus, adductor longus, adductor femoris, semimembranosus, semitendinosus. Okay. On the back. Gastrocnemius, soleus, fibularis muscles, flexor, digitorum longus. Like, you can barely see a little bit of it here. Like that. The extensor's on the other side. Extensor here, tibialis anterior, flexor digitorum longus. So yeah, it's usually more pronounced than that. And like I said, if a muscle is hard to tell what it is, I'll try not to point to that kind of muscle. Okay? One more time. Flexors on which side? Flexors are on the inside. Okay? Extensors on the outside. Alright? Okay. Okay, again, gastrocnemius, soleus, here, fibularis muscles, extensor digitorum longus, tibialis anterior. So when you say fibularis muscles, that all has to go, if you were to point to that? Fibularis. So they're on the side, it goes here, on the side of the cat's leg, and on the back. Okay? Okay, biceps femoris, this huge one here. Vastus lateralis, again, we saw that from the front. Tensorfascial latae is this one. That's attached to the white fascia, right? It's this V-shaped muscle here. Okay? Latissimus dorsi, spinotrapezius, acromiotrapezius, clavotrapezius. Okay? Spinodeltoid, acromiodeltoid, clavodeltoid. Okay? Levator scapulae ventralis. Levator scapulae ventralis. So levator lift, scapula forward. Right? So you can imagine if it contracted, it would lift the scapula forward. Okay? Levator scapulae ventralis. Okay. Okay, here you have supraspinatus on the supraspinous fossa, subscapularis, rhomboid capitis, rhomboideus muscles, and the splenius. Okay? Long head and lateral head of the triceps brachii, brachioradialis, brachialis, extensor carpi radialis, or extensor carpi radialis longus.
You said long head and lateral head of the triceps?
Yeah.
Is it where's the medial?
On the inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor digitorum communis, extensor digitorum lateralis, extensor carpi ulnaris.
And the next muscle that goes around and starts to...
Flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Okay, flexor carpi ulnaris, palmaris longus, flexor carpi radialis, pronator teres. Like that. Fat here, and it thins out along the arm. Again, extensor carpi radialis, or extensor carpi radialis longus. Okay? Got it?
Brachioradialis.
Brachioradialis right here.
Where's the brachialis?
Brachialis is right underneath it here. Oh, I didn't do this. So epitrocularis is this one that's cut and flopped back. Here again is the long head of the triceps. And here is the medial head of the triceps.
And is that the only way you can see the medial head? Like
Yeah.
you can't see it from the back?
I don't know. I've never tried to see it from the other side.
But you would mark it from the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
And biceps brachii.
The big one is the long head?
Right. Again, carbodeltoid, brachialis.